When you look up at the night sky, what do you see? For most, just stars. For Carl Sagan, every light in the darkness was a story, a question, a possibility, a home.
I wasn't just an astronomer, I was a poet of the universe. I taught that science is not cold machinery, it's a language of wonder, and that to understand the cosmos is to understand ourselves.
Carl Sagan was born in 1934 in Brooklyn, New York. As a child, he was fascinated by the stars. He wanted to know what was out there. He devoured science fiction, built model rockets, and filled notebooks with sketches of alien worlds. But what set Sagan apart wasn't just curiosity, it was his belief that science and imagination belonged together. He later said,
"Imagination will often carry us to worlds that never were. But without it, we go nowhere."
At the University of Chicago, Sagan studied physics and astronomy under great minds like Gerard Kuiper. He contributed to the understanding of planetary atmospheres, showing that Venus is a furnace of greenhouse gases, while Mars might once have had water. But beyond his discoveries, Sagan wanted to tell the story of the cosmos in a way people could feel. He believed science wasn't just about data, it was a way of being in love with reality. In 1980, Sagan created Cosmos, A Personal Voyage, one of the most watched science programs in television history. Through his poetic narration, the universe became intimate. He reminded us that we are made of star stuff, that the atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of ancient suns. Sagan's voice made space feel like home, his words transforming science into a form of humanism. In 1990, the Voyager 1 spacecraft, at Sagan's urging, turned its camera back toward Earth from billions of miles away. The resulting image showed our planet as a single pixel, a pale blue dot suspended in a sunbeam. Sagan reflected, "Look again at that dot, that's here, that's home, that's us." He saw humility not as weakness, but as wisdom, the awareness that our lives are small, yet precious beyond measure.
I was a fierce advocate for reason, peace, and the environment. I warned against nuclear war, climate change, and the decay of critical thinking. I believed that skepticism was the antidote to deception, and that science was our candle in the dark. To me, the cosmos wasn't separate from us, it was our origin story.
Carl Sagan died in 1996, but his voice still travels through his books, his recordings, and the generations he inspired. He showed us that to know the universe is to fall in love with existence itself. His legacy whispers across time. Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. And in that endless search, Sagan taught us the greatest truth of all, that we too are a way for the cosmos to know itself.